whole wall. Whole back wall.
So much going on right now.
Now look, she's moving the car. Right? She could have drove it down to the tire man.
That's what she's doing now, probably.
Yeah, well, he's probably like AAA, like, why the fuck didn't you just drive it down there? It'd be funny if AAA just changed the tire right in John Sharman parking
Right in front. That would be cool. Oh, he's gonna. Yeah, that's what he's doing. He's making her fucking go down, turn down the street.
Yeah.
He can change it.
What a huge fail.
She just didn't have enough money to cover to have the tire done.
She has enough money to pay for AAA though.
It's insurance, isn't it? You don't have to pay them anything, do you?
If you still pay for the yearly fee.
Well, that's what she's probably figuring. She pays the yearly fee. Why?
Yeah, but why wait an hour just to get a tire change when you could get it done in 5 minutes? And he charges $1.50 to fucking fix the tire.
Oh, over there?
Yeah, at the most $5.